Let's have a quick look at Karachi. This is Mahatma Palace, which is like a shrine to the founder of Pakistan. Unfortunately, there's no phones or cameras allowed inside, so I can't show you what that looks like. So let's move on to a rooftop. The city wakes up late, so mornings are a good time to chill, look towards the coast, and eat some local food. After that, you could head to the crazy carnival atmosphere of the port, see some characters, eat some seafood, and listen to some local music. As you would expect, the streets of Karachi can get a little bit hectic, but the scenery does change as you move through the districts. As with every city, of course, there are some districts that are not as pretty as others. But the beach at sunset is always nice.